Today we're going over the best stock trading apps for beginners. We'll break down the pros and cons of the most user-friendly stock trading apps and help you decide which is the best trading app for you. Hey, welcome back guys. This is Eric of everydayinvesting.com, where I'm all about helping the everyday investor maximize their saving and investing. Today we're going over my best 3 stock trading apps for new stock traders that really give you the most user-friendly interface and the best overall user experience to really help you start trading stocks right from the palm of your hand. Now, if at any point of today's video you want to jump ahead or jump back to any particular stock trading app we're covering today, I'll be sure to include timestamps down below in the description box, as well as links to my more full in-depth review on each one of these stock trading apps. So today we are going over the best 3 stock trading apps for new stock traders that are especially great if you're interested in actively trading stocks. Now, if you want to see how these 3 apps compare to more passive investing apps, be sure to stay tuned until the end of the video, where I'll share with you the 3 best stock market investing apps that are geared a lot more towards passive investing. But with that being said, guys, let's now hop into the first best stock trading app for new stock traders, and that is the Public app. So Public is definitely one of my top stock trading apps for new stock traders because it's a 100% commission-free stock trading platform. There are no commissions and no fees to buy or sell any stocks on the platform. And in addition, Public is an extremely clean and user-friendly mobile app. Another great thing I like with Public, guys, is that you can get started trading on the app with as little as $5. So that's a really great advantage right there for a new investor, for a new stock trader. Now, in terms of the investments offered on Public, Public does give you access to investing and trading thousands of individual stocks and ETFs. Public lets you invest in and trade fractional shares of stocks, what they refer to as slices. You can trade pieces of companies, pieces of stocks, instead of having to buy the full share. As you can see, there are stocks that cost hundreds of dollars to buy a full share, and if you're just getting into stock trading and investing, you may not be able to afford that. But with Public, you can buy a fractional share, a slice of that stock, and trade that just the same. But by far, one of the most unique aspects to the Public app, guys, is the fact that they do have a unique social layer integrated, a social community where you can follow your friends, have conversations, and not only can you connect with your friends, but you can also follow experts, industry leaders, and other people in the investing community. Or you can also explore their themes page, where they have over 50 different themes ranging from finance to retail to food to tech, all of these different themes to help you discover new stocks that you may want to invest in or that you may want to trade. Another reason Public is definitely worth considering as a new stock trader is because they offer advanced order types. And what that means is, in addition to allowing you to place market orders, you can also place limit orders and stop orders, meaning you can have Public buy and sell your stocks for you at your desired price point, even when you're away from your phone automatically. And one non-investing feature on the Public app that I really like for new stock traders and investors is that they allow you to earn a nice amount of interest on your uninvested cash. Now, they currently, at the time of this video, you earn 2.5% APY on uninvested cash sitting in your cash balance that's not invested in your Public portfolio. Now, in terms of the pricing and fees on Public, great news, Public is a 100% commission-free stock trading and investing platform. There are no commissions or trading fees to buy or sell stocks, nor are there any monthly account maintenance fees or monthly account subscription fees, nor are there any minimum account balance requirements. So now I want to briefly discuss who Public is most ideal for versus who Public is not as ideal for. So for starters, guys, Public is definitely ideal for new stock traders and new investors to the stock market, because not only can you get started investing and trading stocks on Public with as little as $5, but they also have an extremely user-friendly interface, very clean design, easy to navigate. On top of that, you can also trade and invest in fractional shares in slices of these stocks on Public, which is another great advantage. And lastly, with Public, they do allow you to explore themes and Public portfolios to really help you discover new stocks you may want to invest in or trade. The second type of person I would say Public is ideal for would be for those stock traders that really want a sense of community in their stock trading app. Because like I said, guys, Public is by far the most social stock trading and investing app out there. They really do give you a layer of connection and community and a sense of connection to your friends, to industry leaders, to experts, to really not only help you discover new stocks and portfolios, but they also allow you to communicate and connect and have real conversations around real stocks and real companies. And thirdly, I would say Public is definitely ideal for stock traders and investors who simply want to earn more interest on their uninvested cash. Because like I said guys, at the time of filming this video, Public currently offers 2.5% APY interest on your uninvested cash sitting in your Public account. So now let's briefly discuss who the Public app may not be as ideal for. Firstly, Public may not be as ideal for active stock traders that need more advanced charts and data to complete their stock trades. Now, Public does give you access to essential stock information, charts, and statistics on each and every stock or ETF available on their platform. But if you're a more active stock trader and you're really getting into advanced analysis and research and data, you may find more value in one of the stock trading apps we'll have coming up later on in this video. Now, the second type of person I would say Public may not be as ideal for would be for investors and stock traders who want additional account features out of their stock trading app. Now, don't get me wrong guys, Public is an extremely clean and user-friendly stock trading app. However, they're a little limited on features at this time as they continue to build out their platform. For instance, they don't currently offer retirement accounts or mobile banking checking accounts with debit cards. And you can find some of these features on similar investing apps. With that being said, we're now hopping into my second recommended stock trading app to consider for new stock traders, and that is the Robinhood app. So Robinhood is another great stock trading app for new stock traders because also like Public, it's a 100% commission-free stock trading app. There are no fees, no commissions to buy or sell your stocks. And in addition, Robinhood also has a very user-friendly app just like Public. Again, with either Public or Robinhood, you'll have no problems navigating the app. Even as a new stock trader or investor, they're both very user-friendly. Now, much like Public, Robinhood does also give you access to trading and investing in thousands of individual stocks and ETFs on their platform. Now, in terms of fractional shares, that is a feature coming to Robinhood very soon. They announced at the end of last year that it's rolling out to the masses very soon on their platform. But as it becomes available, that will be another great feature for new stock traders. The fact that you'll be able to trade and invest in fractional shares of these stocks on Robinhood. Now, in terms of getting started on Robinhood, there is no account minimum requirement to open an account to get started. And just like on Public, Robinhood does also offer advanced order types such as market order, limit order, stop loss order, and stop limit order to really help you automate your trades even when you're away from your phone. So again, on Robinhood, by placing these advanced order types, you can buy or sell your stocks at your desired price points automatically, even when you're away from your phone. Now, one really unique feature on the Robinhood app, which is really not found on many other stock trading apps, if at all, is the ability to also trade cryptocurrency. Because on Robinhood, they also have a built-in integration called Robinhood Crypto, where you can buy, sell, trade top cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, and several others right directly on their platform. Again, just like their stocks, also 100% commission free. And in one of their most recent additions, Robinhood has now also added a cash management account directly built into the app, which also comes with a MasterCard debit card with the Robinhood logo on it. Very cool stuff because it also allows you to access your money much quicker now. Plus, it is also an interest earning account that does allow you to earn interest on the uninvested cash inside of your Robinhood account. Now, the interest rate is variable on Robinhood, unlike Public, which means on Robinhood, the interest rate can fluctuate up and down as the federal interest rate fluctuates. Now, in terms of the pricing on Robinhood, Robinhood, guys, is a 100% commission-free platform, just like Public. There are no commissions or trading fees to buy or sell your stocks or ETFs. There are no monthly account maintenance fees, and there are no subscription costs. Now, Robinhood does offer an upgraded account called Robinhood Gold, which is a margin trading account, which does offer an array of different additional trading features if you're getting more advanced into trading. So that is something that they do offer, but the baseline Robinhood account is 100% commission free to use. So let's briefly discuss who I think Robinhood is most ideal for versus who it's not as ideal for. Well, for starters, guys, I would definitely say Robinhood is ideal for new stock traders because not only do they have an extremely clean and user-friendly mobile app, but they also offer 100% commission-free stock trading. In addition, they're going to also soon have the ability to invest in and trade fractional shares coming soon to the app. And the second type of stock trader I would say Robinhood is ideal for is just that, the active stock trader on the go. Because again, with those advanced order types, like I said on Robinhood, the market order, the stop loss order, the stop limit order, and the limit order, you can really buy and sell stocks at your desired price points even when you're away from your phone. And the third type of person I would say the Robinhood app is ideal for is those stock traders who want to trade both stocks and cryptocurrency, because on Robinhood, you don't have to choose between either one. It's a platform that allows you to trade both stocks and cryptocurrency. Now, who would I say Robinhood would not be as ideal for? Well, I would say Robinhood may not be as ideal for those interested in passive investing, because Robinhood is definitely more geared towards active stock trading. And while Robinhood can be used as a long-term buy and hold app, most of the features on Robinhood are definitely geared towards short-term stock trading. And because of this, this may require more active research, active portfolio management on your part. The second type of person I would say Robinhood may not be as ideal for would be for stock traders who want to practice their stock trading before having to actually trade with their real money. Because while Robinhood is an extremely clean, user-friendly app to trade stocks, you can't practice trading with virtual money on their platform. Now, if you're interested in a 100% commission-free stock trading app that does let you practice trading first with paper money, we're going to talk about that app right now, and that app is the Webull app. So another great stock trading app for new stock traders to consider would be the Webull app. Now, Webull, much like Robinhood and Public, does give you access to trading and investing in thousands of individual stocks and ETFs. And just like the other two apps, Webull is a 100% commission-free app. There are no commissions or trading fees to buy or sell any of your stocks. But unlike Robinhood and Public, Webull does take stock trading to the next level by offering you additional features that you may find value in, especially if you're actively trading stocks. For starters, Webull does offer the most extensive built-in research, data, analysis, charts, all packed into the app for each and every stock and ETF available on the platform to really help you make more determined stock trading decisions. But the reason I think Webull is definitely worth considering for new stock traders is not for the advanced research and analysis, but it's rather for their paper trading feature. And this is a really unique feature on Webull that I really like, and I think you'll like as a new stock trader, because it allows you to do just that. Trade with paper money, virtual money. It allows you to practice trading with the virtual stock trading account on the app without impacting your real funds. And then after you get some practice in, then you can do it in your real stock trading account on Webull, again, which is all located in the same single app. And furthermore, Webull even has paper trading competitions where you can earn and win real prizes from trading with your paper account. So again, if you're a new stock trader, that's the real reason I think Webull is definitely worth considering for the paper trading feature. Another great reason to consider Webull as your stock trading app is because they also offer advanced order types just like Robinhood and Public. They give you access to market orders, limit orders, stop loss orders, and stop limit orders. And they also do give you the ability to practice some of those orders on the paper trading. Now, in terms of getting started on Webull, Webull does have a $100 minimum requirement to get started trading stocks on the Webull app. But again, you can just deposit your money first and practice with the paper trading feature before you actually invest your real first $100. And again, in terms of the pricing, when it comes to Webull, it's a 100% commission-free platform, just like Robinhood and Public, meaning there are no commissions or trading fees to buy or sell stocks, and there are no monthly account maintenance fees or subscription costs. So let's briefly discuss who Webull is ideal for versus who Webull is not as ideal for. For starters, guys, I would say Webull is definitely ideal and worth considering for new stock traders, again, because of that paper trading feature. This really does allow you to get some practice under your belt, practice trading real stocks with paper money before actually having to trade with your real funds. In addition, there are no commissions or trading fees or monthly subscription costs to use Webull, making it another great point for new stock traders. Secondly, I would say Webull is even ideal for intermediate and experienced traders who simply want to save on commissions, because again, with Webull, you get access to those advanced order types to help you automate your trades, plus you save on commissions because there are no costs, there are no monthly subscription fees. And thirdly, I would say Webull is definitely ideal for active stock traders who really want to use all of that data, research, analysis, and charts to really make more informed active stock trades. Now, who would I say Webull may not be as ideal for? Well, I would say firstly, Webull may not be as ideal for those interested in passive investing. If you're more interested in passive investing and not having to actively research stocks, research companies, actively manage your portfolio, you may want to consider one of the 3 investing apps I'll mention right now coming up as an alternative. Secondly, I would say Webull is not as ideal for those who are less active in trading stocks, because While Webull's advanced charts, research, and data are their greatest selling point, it's also their greatest weakness, especially for new stock traders and investors, because it can be a little overwhelming, without a doubt. So if you're not going to be actively trading stocks and utilizing all that data to your advantage, you may find more value in, say, Robinhood or Public for trading your stocks, which don't have all that data, but they're more user-friendly and less overwhelming for new stock traders, I would definitely say. Now, if you enjoyed this video on my 3 best stock trading apps for new stock traders, and you want to see how these apps compare to my 3 best investing apps for passive investing, I encourage you to check out this video right here on my 3 best investing apps for passive investing to really help you decide which is the best stock trading app or investing app or combination of both for you.